Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your time zone on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you can go to your setting, and after you have your settings application opened, you can go to the general management. This one guys, just click on this option and you have to choose the date and time since we want to change our time zone. Okay, and if you want to change your time zone, you have to turn off this automatic time zone. You can click on this toggle button to disable the automatic time zone. Then after you turn this automatic time zone off, you will be able to change your time zone. You just need to select the time zone right here, and for the region, for instance, I'm just going to select maybe Australia. Okay, and for the time zone, I'm gonna go with Sydney. Okay, and now as you can see guys that my time zone has been changed, and that's how we can change time zone on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.